my oldest is going into grade 3 and my twins are going into grade 2. So with them being only 1 year apart and having a preschooler, we do a lot of family style learning in our homeschool. And I'm going to show you ways that we have found Seesaw helpful for sharing those family learning samples with our HLST without having to create individual posts for each child's account. To begin, as with any post on Seesaw, I'm going to click the green Add button. Now this can be in any one of my children's accounts because, as I'll show you, I can add each one of my children to this post so that it shows up in their accounts later. I'm going to select Upload. That gives me the option of uploading a PDF file, a video, audio, or up to 10 images. For this example, I'm going to select from Computer, and I am going to upload this photo of my children playing oobleck as a science experiment. When that's ready, I can click the green check mark and I'm ready to create my post. Now I want to add individual comments from each one of my children about this project that they worked on together. There are 3 ways that they can do that, using either text or audio. The first option is to click the T icon on the left side of the page, and that will open a text box right in the middle of the page. I can move that and resize it, and I can even click the 3 dots at the bottom and change the font, the color. There's a lot of options there, and my kids enjoy messing around with that sometimes. But this allows my child to type her comment, something she wants to say about this project for the teacher, or she can dictate to me and I can type it for her. You can add as many text boxes as you want to your post. The second option is to add voice recordings. Now there is a microphone icon there on the left side of the page below the text icon that we already clicked. And that is a really great tool for an individual child to share a voice recording about her own individual work. But when I want to add multiple voice recordings to the same post, I found that the better tool for the job is to click the 3 dots on the left down there at the bottom and then click Voice. And that pops up with a text box and the option to record voice or upload audio. Now that text box can be customized. I can change it from listen to, for example, Kate's voice recording. And then I can do that for each one of my children, and my teacher can easily see which voice recording, which audio file there belongs to which one of my children and hear what they each have to say about the same project. The last option is to allow each one of my children to comment from their own Seesaw accounts. And that's very similar to how you would leave a comment on social media. To do that, I will go ahead and post this photo. I may want to add a caption first, and that's done by clicking the quotation mark icon at the bottom left-hand corner. And there I see the option to add a caption. I can keep it simple and just explain what the photo is, or I can even give my own summary as the parent teacher of what this project was all about. And when that's done, I'm going to click the green check mark at the right-hand side of the page. And now it asks me to select folders. And I'm just going to select any folders that apply to this specific post. For this example, it was science, a little bit of art, possibly some ADST. Anything that applies, I will select and then click the green check mark once more. Once that post is added to the journal, it will say waiting for teacher approval, but I can continue to edit it by clicking the right hand corner down at the bottom. There's 3 small dots again, and I can click Edit People. Now when I select that, I see all of my children's names, so I can have that show up in all of their accounts on their journal once it's approved. And then when each one of them is logged in, we can click Comment, which is at the bottom left hand side of the page, add the comment, whatever it is, whether they dictate it to me and I type their words or they type it themselves. And then when that is posted, it will show up with their name in front of the comment. So that can be done from each one of their accounts, and all of that will be seen by my teacher with their name in front of it.